But from USB. It's USB. To boot from USB. So here you press F2. F2 or delete. If not working, restart again the PC. Press reset button. Keep on tapping F2 or delete. Your BIOS will appear here. So now we don't do anything. Okay, so what you'll do is that you just go to boot menu. That is what? F8. Boot menu is F8. Here, this is HP and HP UEFI. If you want to boot in UEFI, you select HP UEFI. But if you want to boot only legacy, if you your computer have one system reserve, you go with this one HP only. But if you have 3 system reserve, then you go to UEFI. So start off, first of all, I'll go with UEFI. I don't know. Okay, clear? Then here what you'll do, you click on next. Then now install. We don't have a product key. Then here you can select Pro. Where is the Pro? Here, Pro. Next. This 64-bit operating system. Next. Here I have accept installation key. Next, custom. So here we have only one system reserve. So we cannot go here. We cannot go next. Clear? Because this is not a GPT partition. So what you have to do is that you have to restart again the PC. Reset again. Reset. You can hit directly F8 because boot menu is F8. You can hit directly F8. Okay, clear? F8 is for boot menu. So here not UEFI, but now we select this HP. We going next. Then here install. Step here. I don't have product key. Then Pro here. Pro. Next. Set this down. Next, custom. See here, there is no more information. So that means this is your C drive. Okay, this is your system reserve and this is your C drive. So you format the C drive, click on format, okay, and after that, next. Next.